Hey guys, it's Bianca. Today is Monday, February 23rd, and this is my first update in a couple days, a lot of days, because I had surgery on my throat. I had my tonsils removed. Um, I was feeling super shitty for like 2 weeks. I couldn't eat anything. No pudding, no jello, no fruit pops, nothing. And they tell you like, oh, we know the ice cream you want or whatever when you have your tonsils out. They're lying. You won't be able to eat anything. I was on liquid Vicodin and lidocaine to like numb my throat or whatever for like 14 days. The liquid Vicodin was awesome. Um, Thanks, Dr. Anderson. Good job on prescribing that one. So now, I still have a little pain in the back of my throat, but, for the most part, I feel wonderful. I feel like I can breathe. I feel like, I don't know if I still snore, because I don't have anybody to, like, check it out and let me know. But, I think hopefully the snoring is under control. Um, I'm also officially today is my where'd it go? My tomorrow starts my first day on Chantix and my first day on the patch. So yeah, I'm starting the patch, and it has a patented smart control technology, I guess, because you're supposed to. This apparently has 3 steps in it, 3 different levels of nicotine. So I'm hoping with Chantix, the patch, and the gum every once in a while that like if I hit it with like the 3 step system or something, that I'll finally be able to quit smoking. Because it's just kind of ridiculous to like, be losing all the weight and to be getting healthy and having surgery so I can breathe better, and to still be smoking. Uh, it's kind of really not smart. So I'm me and the patch. We're becoming friends. Um, something wonderful that happened today is I got a job. I went on a job interview today with this nonprofit organization here in Atlanta called MACC, and I don't remember what it stands for. Um, and yes, I'm working there. But basically, they needed somebody to help them with marketing materials, and they don't have a database system of set up in the office, which is kind of insane. Because today, when she was like showing me all the files, they're like big manila folders with handwritten information in it. Like, let me sit down with the client and I'm gonna take some notes. None of it's typed at all, and there's like 300 clients that they have that I'm gonna have to be making a database for using Access. So that starts on Wednesday. At I start at noon. I'm working Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, noon to 5:30, and then next Monday I start Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5:30. So it's gonna be like a full-time gig or whatever, and um, I'm really stoked about it. I'm stoked to finally like have a something to do while I'm here. It's gonna be super fun. And what else? Um, I finally got some furniture. If you look here in the background, see that thing right there? That big thing. It's my new sectional, and it's amazing. All my friends that have been here to sit on it, Broderick and Ann and stuff, they say that it's like the most comfortable thing of your life. This weekend my kitchen table's coming, and I'm getting a wireless router so I don't have to like stay connected to the. See, look, here's my Ethernet cord. Isn't that awesome? That we've come so far in technology, and I'm still hooked up to the internet like this. So yeah, I'm starting to feel really good kind of about being here. Still it's not like my first I guess it wouldn't be like my first decision to be here or whatever. And my dad's moving back out of the country in October, so I'm gonna be coming back home in October. I can't wait. So between now and October is time for me to save money, to kind of get on the right track with my health and my credit, so that I can come home and live a good life and stuff. I exhale. It's been a really good day. I really miss Al today. I miss you a lot, and I miss Heather. I talked to you the other day, and you and Dale are doing great. And you moved into your new house, which is wonderful. And you got a new dog. Like, you guys needed any more furry animals. I mean, you already have Dale, and that's kind of like, I mean, Tips and Snow are kind of cool or whatever, but then you add Dale to the mix, and it's just like chaos. I don't know how you do it. But yeah, I'm doing good, and me and the Patch, good friends with the Patch. So yeah, I'm gonna have my ceremonious, I guess, last smoke here in a little while, and calling it quits. It's been fun. Cigarettes, you carcinogenic badness, but I'm interested in getting healthy and being around for the long haul and all that kind of stuff. So I'm giving it up, and I don't really know what else to say. It's been cold here. I hope everybody had a great Valentine's Day. I was dead, asleep, and Vicodin. And that's how I spent my Valentine's Day. I think that's how you should spend every Valentine's Day, is doped up on Vicodin. So yeah. But anyways, I love you guys. I miss you all. Shout out to everybody. Yeah, and I'll update again in a couple days. I hope everybody's doing really well. I hope everybody's staying warm and safe. And I love you guys. Peace.